Sometimes it happens that a person has a short circuit on Shabbat and the lights go out. There's a what is it called? The switch, the fuse goes, and all the lights, all the electric box automatically shuts off all the electricity. And sometimes, unknowingly, someone by mistake will go, even on purpose, someone will go and turn on the lights. Are you allowed to stay in the house and benefit from those? The electricity that was created by the person who did this Chilul Shabbat. Now you didn't do it. He did it. Are you allowed to stay in the house? So, this is a discussion. Because technically we learned earlier that when someone does a melacha on Shabbat, you're not allowed to benefit from the melacha at all. Especially not that Shabbat. Maybe Motzei Shabbat, from then on you can. But on Shabbat itself, you're not allowed to benefit from it. If a person cooked on Shabbat, you can't eat it on Shabbat. You got to wait till after. So what are you supposed to do in such a case? If someone turned on electricity, be'isur b'Shabbat, can you stay in the house? So, here, Chamavadi says like this: you don't have to go out of the house specifically. What you can do is, just be careful not to do anything in the house that you couldn't do without any light. Which means, I'm sure there's windows in the house or all that, or there's another candles, Shabbat candles are on and things like that. So if there's something that you need the electricity for and you would not be able to do without it, that you can't do. So you just have to think what you're doing and see, are you benefiting directly from the Shabbat? I would not be able to do it without this person's electricity or not. So it's a problem. You have to be careful and figure out what you're doing. If it's something you need electricity for, you could not do without the electric, then you got to be careful. But if it's something that you could have done without it, just it's easier with the light, that's fine. You don't have to leave the house. You could stay in the house. He talks about, can one study Torah by the light of that electricity? Why should studying Torah be different? Because we have a rule, mitzvot lav lehanot nitnu. The mitzvot were not given for our benefit. They were given really to serve Hashem. So it's not for benefit. You can't call somebody who's studying Torah, even if he enjoys the learning, but it's not given for that. So maybe that's okay. You're not called benefiting from Shabbat. He says a lot of people want to be Mekel and say that you're allowed to learn Torah by the light of the candle, by the light of this electricity that he did on Shabbat. However, he says it's better to be Machmir. Especially, he adds, and this I don't know what this means, he says that you should try to learn something that you don't have so much benefit from. You don't have so much hana'ah and pleasure from. I don't know what that means. I enjoy all learning. How's it possible to learn something that you don't have so much enjoyment from? But he says you should try to find some type of Torah that you don't have so much enjoyment from. He adds and he says, Shnai mikra ve'echar targum. Some want to say that because it's only mitzvah and a banan, maybe that's a problem. He says no, that's also okay. You say mitzvot lav lehenot. If someone wants to be mekel and reach Shnai mikra by the light of this electricity, that's also okay. It's a machloket. He says someone wants to be mekel, it's fine. You have it to be somechan. The point is, if somebody put on your electricity, Isur b'Shabbat, you have to be careful not to do something that you couldn't have done without the electricity, unless it's studying Torah. There you have what to be somechan. Baruch Adonai Le'olam. Amen ve'amen.